I send greetings to all over the world. I send greetings to all over the world. Today we were dancing on the Tishrin Dam. The Tishrin Dam is a symbol because here is water and electricity for the society. The people came here for a shift for peace. All people here want to live in peace. And what did the Turkish state make? They just attacked in the middle of the dancing people. It's not the first time. There already have been a lot of people killed. And now I also got injured. And I think that this struggle the people are doing here, everyone in the world has to know. And everyone has to see the true face of the Turkish state and NATO, who is actually supporting the Turkish state with weapons and military force. So I say everyone in the world, every young woman, every young boy, stand up. Stand up for humanity and freedom and peace, because it's the basic of life. So don't let the people alone here struggling. We will continue forever. Take care. Bechodan Shiane. Set Captain Shiameyehem.
Aman! Erişek ölmeden!
بسرید انخستالگی شمالباد شهیده یک بیک دخوازیم ین بره و یه ایرو و طیبتی حد هدارن جانگورین دو ایرو و گل مدین سرمده خواه و بسپر آخی باد تیار باد هوگر باد بلتان مزفر منیجه اکرم خبات خونده شهیده لگل ما پیروز به